how to download and install Node.js on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to download and install Node.js on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to search for node.js and then hit the enter. And here, once you click on it, we'll take you to the official website. Now you need to just simply click on get node.js, and then you need to scroll down a bit. And here you need to select Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or AIX. So in my case, I'm selecting Windows. And then you can go with the drop down and select any version that you're comfortable with. And here also you will have a lot of options. You need to just simply go and select the options that you're comfortable with. And then you need to scroll down, and here you will have an option of your architecture. In my case, I'll choose 64. And then you can go with Windows installer or standalone. So I'm just simply going with the Windows installer. You need to go with the downloads, which will be in the top right. And if it has not started the download process, you need to click on it and then go with download unverified file. And within a few seconds, it will be installed. Now you need to click on it. And once you click on the file, it will ask you if you want to move on to the next step. You need to go with next. And then you need to go and accept the terms and conditions, the license agreement. Once you've done that, you need to go with next, which will be on the right side. And then you need to go and select the installation location. Once you've done the location, you need to go with next again, which will be on the bottom. And then go with next again, and it will start the installation process. And within a few seconds or a few minutes, it will be installed. In this way, you'll be able to download and install a Node.js on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.